Today we are going to make a filter. I'm Harlow.
I'm Gwenna.
And I'm Caitlin.
We will show you how to make a filter now.
First you need something to use to put to make the filtration system. Then you'll need some cotton rounds or something that's cotton. You can use like a shirt or something. Then you need some dirty water, and you need some big rocks, some pea gravel, and some sand. First, you're gonna put your container into the filter.
Then you can use a coffee filter or a mask, which is what we used. You put it at the bottom.
Next, you're gonna put 3 cotton rounds and put them in.
Next, you put the sand in. Sure is dusty.
And you might want to do this outside.
You can smooth it around if you want.
Next, you're gonna add the pea gravel.
And next,
Big rock.
well, for last, you're gonna add at least 10 big rocks and put them in. Okay.
After that, you have your filtrations all set up. So once you're ready, you're gonna get your dirty water and you're gonna start to pour it in.
And if you keep doing it, the water will be fresh and clean.
Now there's mud at the bottom of it.
Very clean indeed.
Here's what the water looked like from our first pass.
So we're starting to pass it through the second time.
It's down dirty. Or cleaner. Hey, it looks a little bit more cleaner.
And now it's a little cleaner than it was.
Now we are going to pour it in the third time.
Now we'll have to wait again.
What will happen to our water?
Will it be clean or dirty one day?
We're on to pass 4. Here's our clean water.
Here's our clean water.
And here's our clean water.